In the following video, we're going to see 777032 on a passenger ride from Liverpool South Parkway to Cressington. The services to Oscar 35, the 1421, Hunts Cross to Ormskirk. Hope you enjoy.
This is British Transport Police. If you notice something out of the ordinary, speak to a member of staff or text us on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
This is Cressington. Please take care as you leave the train.
Thanks for watching this passenger ride. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you for another passenger ride very soon.